warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning guys. My name is Kona Hanggidurjana from Senior High School 1 Sampang. Okay guys, now it's time to me to tell you how to make pear juice. Okay, first of all, I will introduce the ingredients to make pear juice. Pear, sugar, white milk, water, and ice cubes. And for the equipment, we need blender, glass, spoon, and knife. Okay guys, first of all, peel the pear with knife. Second, cut the pear into the pieces. Then, put the pear, water, ice cubes, and white milk into the blender. After that, turn on the blender and wait about 15 seconds. Finally, pour the pear juice into the glass. And pear juice ready to drink. Thanks for watching. Happy to try and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.